Alrighty, so we're waiting for some people to tune in. Alexis always lets me know. Alexis, are we having a drawing for a fabulous prize?
Of course, always.
Do you know what said fabulous prize is?
No, I'm gonna figure that out here in a second.
Oh, let's look around the store and see what we want to do. Last time we had a fabulous sloth pincushion, right? Which was kind of cute. Did she come in and pick that up?
Yeah.
Did she? Okay, cool.
No.
Not yet? Oh.
No.
You need to come in and pick that up. It is pretty cute. It's pretty cute. She is wandering around looking for a door prize for us, which is good. When she's under pressure, she'll pull something nice. We hope so anyway. So that'll be good. We're waiting for some people to join us. Oh, let's see what she tossed. Are these the forked pins?
They are.
Oh, those are cool.
These are nice. These are nice. So we did a video about things that we like, notions that we like. This is one of my favorites. These are magic forked pins. I say forked, but they're forked pins. So the reason that these are really cool, 2 reasons, really 3. They have a heat-resistant handle, which is kind of nice. So if you hit them with the iron, they're not going to melt like plastic-headed pins, which is good. Also, the pin has 2 prongs. So if you are a quilter and you are sewing your blocks, and you've got a row of blocks, you're going to sew it to the row, another row of blocks. The intersection of those blocks, row to row, moves. These pins go on either side of that seam, holding it together. And as you approach the needle, you pull the pin out, and everything comes out straight, and your points are great. So those are really, really nice. Fork pins have been around for a while, but they were really very, very flimsy. And when you poked them through, they kind of twisted. Not these. These are great. I have some. I really like them. That's a really good prize. Hopefully, we have a quilter that pulls it. Good deal. All right. Do we have anyone listening? Or am I talking to myself again?
No.
Not that I'm above it.
You've got quite a few people. You've got Ann McAdory.
Ann, hello.
Karen Ingram.
Karen.
Vonda Payne.
Oh, Vonda. Hope you're feeling better.
Kelly.
Of course. Hi, Cal.
Darlene Hart.
Oh, good.
Colleen Ralph.
Excellent. Colleen, how are you?
Mike Powell from Virginia.
Oh, good.
Kathy Weaver.
Kathy, good.
I think that's
all right.
That's
a pretty good
I'm
crowd.
trying to log in from my phone.
Kathleen's trying to watch too.
Okay.
So give her a little
she's
shout
sitting.
out.
She's sitting right there. Anyway, so something that we've been kicking around some different ideas for classes, both our small classes, which is our Make It Take It project classes, which are $10, and they're a lot of fun. We get a lot of people that come in. It's fun. It's a social event. You do get to make the project. We always finish. I think we've always finished the projects on that because they're small projects, but I call them girlfriend gifts. So it's something that you make, and it might be a birthday gift or a Christmas gift, etc. But they're kind of fun. You also typically learn a little technique that you can transfer and use on different things. So what we want to know is what you would like to see us do in terms of classes. So we're going to start to do some more Saturday classes. So that means some of our ladies that are working. What would you like us to work for you? What kind of classes would you like to see? So let us know. Call in. Go ahead and feel free to type in, which is good. Alexis, I can see out of the corner of my eye, she's nodding her head, so that means that's a good thing. So let us know what you'd like to see, which would be a lot of fun. All right. The other thing I did want to talk about was I did go to the Ohio State Fair over the weekend. Oh, she didn't even roll her eyes that time. And I went to the quilt show. Ladies, we can do better. I saw what was submitted. I have a lot of quilters that come in here and buy machines from us. There were several nice quilts, but there are a lot of things that you ladies do that I think could be submitted to the state fair and win some awards and ribbons. It'd be lovely to see some of our ladies represented in Columbus. There were some nice quilts, but I think that we have a lot of talent that's not, not being represented up there. So think about doing that. Also, you've got local fairs, your county fairs. Okay, so something to think about. I did not eat my way down the midway. Of course, I had fried everything from fried Twinkies to fried Oreos. I kid you not. Fried Snicker bars. The one thing I did want to try were the fried olives and could not find them. I thought that sounded tasty, but never could find them. I did look, but I didn't find them. So, Alex, you're going to give me the nod. If we've got enough people, I'll go in to start talking about our events.
Yeah, you've got 18.
18. Woo! All right. One thing I did want to mention before we get started today is National Watermelon Day. So they gave me some props. So we've got some little chenille watermelon, and I think this is cute. You made this, Kathleen, right? So just as kind of an idea, which I think is cute. It's one of the bench pillows that we've done a lot of classes on, but I thought this one was really
Maybe
cute.
it's a table runner.
Or a table runner.
Yeah.
This is a table runner. You're right.
Yeah.
I love the ants on it. I think it's really, really cute. So, all right. So let's talk about some Tri-County events that we've got coming up in August and September. This Saturday is our Sit and Sew event. It is always the first Saturday of the month. It is a no-charge event. Unless I'm out of town, I'm here to moderate and to entertain. So, which the entertain, Sue just told me that was, but we do usually exchange funny stories, everyone that comes. So we laugh a lot. We get some sewing done. It's an ideal time to bring in a project that you've taken maybe in a class and not finished, or a project you're working on and want to have a nice, cool, air-conditioned place to come, plenty of room to spread out, and you've got some help here to assist you to complete that project and work forward on it. So that is this Saturday, August 6th. It is a no-charge event, so please come and join us. We'll have some fun, and we do have air conditioning. All right. August 9th, which is Tuesday of next week, that is one of our Stitchin' with Style classes. That is a $10 class. We will be making a 3-pocket scissors case. And again, that's one of those classes that's a make it, take it, and you always finish your project and take it home with you. That'll be a lot of fun. Please call in, get signed up. Alexis will be sending out she already has sent out the supply list, but if you call in today or tomorrow, she'll be happy to send that supply list out for you. So no problem with that. And that is this coming Tuesday, and it will run from 11 till 2. Friday, August 19th, is going to be the Ruler of the Month class, and that is with Anne with an E. And that is from 11 till 3. And the name of that ruler for the Ruler of the Month is Smiley.
Yep,
No.
and it's included in the class.
It's included in the class. Oh, yeah. I didn't tell them what it costs or anything yet. So that each ruler gives you a different shape that you're using to quilt your quilts or wall hangings. Anne is doing that. Ruler of the Month. It is $34.95. That includes the ruler. So that is a great value. So please sign up for that and increase your skills on quilting. The next event that we have at Tri-County is Thursday, August 25th. Now, this is the Kimber virtual class. Kathleen is going to be in Alaska, which is fabulous. Since she's gone, I get to teach the Kimber virtual class. Now, this is a little bit of a challenge in that I want to have lots of people take this class. That's the challenge. Sign up. So, what's the class? It is this nifty little Halloween pillow. The design is included from Kimber. It is $12.95. Makes a little pillow. The things that are featured, we're going to be using a leather background, or you can do a vinyl covered fabric. That's fine. Applique numbers. There's a little sparkly spider, a border, and then a final flange on the pillow. I think it's kind of fun. If you call in, or one of the next 5 people, I have for you a genuine piece of dead cow, meaning leather, okay? So call in. I've got a limited amount of dead cow, okay? And I can get 4 out of this piece of leather, and I've got an extra one here. So next 5 people that call in to get on that virtual Kimber class, which I think will be fun, we'll give you the leather for the background on this. This is going to be fun. You can also use this design on other things. Okay, so I think that'll be fun. $12.95. That is August 25th. Don't leave me hanging. This is the first time I've got to teach the Kimber virtual class. Sign up. Get your piece of dead cow. Okay, Social Corner, which is September 7th. So now we're talking about a September event. And Social Corner, that is from 11 till 1. That is an event that I get the opportunity to moderate. And what we're going to do this time, now listen, and I know Alexis will put this out on our weekly email, but we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to call it a round robin. So what that means is the people that come to Social Corner, and I usually have 10 to 12 ladies that show up, and we talk about different things that are going on in sewing or events. I bring up different topics for discussion. But this time, what we're going to do is we're going to ask some of our ladies that attend to do a little bit of a teach demonstration. So we would love it if you could come and you say, you know, hey, I made this cute little gift, or I have been really successful with this technique on my machine, and you're willing to show the group, you will receive a little gift from Luke's. And I think it'll be nice because we all have talents. It'd be lovely to share. Of course, you know I'm going to share something. I already know what it's going to be. I'm not going to share that. Come to Social Corner. Again, when is that? September 7th, all right, which is a Wednesday, 11 till 1, no charge event. We do have refreshments, and it's going to be a round robin. So call in, let us know you're coming. Also let us know if you're going to be willing to do a little demonstration, and you'll get the you'll have a gift from Luke's on that. So I'm looking forward to hearing about what you're going to teach, because I'm always looking for new ideas. I'd love to be the student. Okay. That covers Tri-County events. Did I miss anything, Alex? Is there anything else you want me to talk about? No, she
We've
should
got
her
more
head.
September classes coming. We're just finalizing them.
Correct. We've got more things coming up for September. We're coming up with some different ideas. Some of them we have to test to see if our ideas are going to work before we put them out there. And those will be coming up soon. Ellesmere events. Saturday, August 6th, which is this Saturday, is the block of the month, and that is from 11 a.m. till 4 p.m. I don't have a cost written on my sheet. Alexis is going to get back to me on that. Yes, she is. Okay, so that is the block of the month. That is this Saturday. Wednesday, August 24th, is the dimensional seasonal wall hanging, and that is from 11:30 till 4:30. So that's a big class. And these are all going to be held in the air-conditioned clubhouse. Emphasis on AC. I don't know about you ladies, but don't like to sew when it's hot.
Block of the month in Ellesmere is $29.95 a month.
Okay, $29.95 for the block of the month. And again, that is this Saturday, August 6th. And the dimensional wall hanging, because I didn't have a cost.
Call Ellesmere for details.
Call Ellesmere for details on that, on the dimensional seasonal wall hanging. Again, that's August 24th. Now, another class, we've had a lot of people that want to be able to do garment sewing. And we're offering a class over in Ellesmere. It is a 2-part class, and it is September 9th and the 23rd. Now, Kathleen is our garment specialist. You want Winnie the Pooh, I'm all in. Get on my schedule, we'll make Winnie. I don't do garments, but Kathleen, she's got a lot of expertise. I've seen some of the things that she has made, and she wears them, and they look great, and they fit. And that's where I'm going to start talking about this class. So this is going to be a 2-part class. The first day of class, you're going to be taking all of your measurements so that you know what size you are, okay? And there are more measurements than you think. We always think, you know, what is it, 36, 24, 36, we were told mistakenly was ideal, right? Okay, so bust, waist, hips. There are a lot more measurements that need to be taken to have a garment that you sew fit. Also, those measurements will determine what size you select on the pattern. Okay, so taking all the measurements, how to read a pattern, also how to cut out a pattern, and then what fabric to buy for the class. So that'll be the first day of class. The second day, you'll be actually doing the construction of the garment. Now the garment is going to be a tunic top. We're doing the short sleeve. Can you see this, Alex? Good. Okay, it's the short sleeve tunic here. It'll be made out of a knit fabric. It'll come down just to about the elbow. This is the type of tunic that you can wear over tights, you know, with jeans, that type of thing. I suggested petty pants. I think Kathleen rolled her eyes on that. I don't think anybody even knows what petty pants are, but anyway. So I think that's going to be fun. That is Friday the 9th and the 23rd. Cost of that is $49.95, and that covers both days. So that's a good value. Learn a little bit about how to do some garment sewing. I think that'll be fun. Now, the other thing I wanted to talk to you about is an event. Luke's, this is our first real big event that's come back since COVID. Okay, we used to have some big events, some 2-day things, and this one is software camp. And this is going to be September 13th and 14th. I'm kind of excited about this. I talked to Margaret, and I get to come and facilitate. What that means is that when the woman that's coming in from Viking is talking about the software and leading you through it, I will be there to help. So if you get off track, or if your computer gets all messed up, I'm your gal. All right, I'll get you straightened out so you can get back on track and back on class. So we're going to have plenty of help. The software camp is on the Sonnet software and on Premiere Plus 2. Those softwares make your embroidery hobby come alive. Designs, how to modify them, how to change things about the designs, all of this. So you see something you like, but it's not exactly what you like, how to change that and make it your own. I believe that she's also going to be going into some digitizing. We're going to get more details on exactly what will be involved with Software Camp from Viking. We'll put out kind of an outline or a syllabus, so to speak, so you know what to look forward to. Ladies, if you've got this software, come to Software Camp. The cost on this is $49.95. That includes both days, all the software, instruction that you need from Viking, and of course includes lunch. So this is I guess what I always think about is how can I up my game in my hobby, okay, whether it's sewing, quilting, or embroidery. The software allows me to up my game, okay? So the Software Camp, talking to someone from Viking. Why do you think I volunteered? I'll be facilitating and helping you with your computer, but I'm going to be listening. Okay, so I think that's going to be a really good event. Don't waste time. There's a limited number of seats on this. Please call in here, Tri-County ladies, or call Ellesmere. That's fine. But get your seat reserved for that software camp, okay? Again, the dates, sure. The 13th and 14th of September. That is a Tuesday, Wednesday, correct? I'm almost positive. It's a Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so call in and get on this calendar with that. I think that is about it. So you need to make some phone calls. Call in for your software camp. Don't leave me hanging. I want to teach more of this Kimber, so I got to show that I got ladies that'll come and do it with me. Okay, get your true piece of leather here for that, and get on the phone. Alexis, I saw her with lots of pieces of paper. She's going to make a drawing for the magic forked pins, and the name is, she just dropped them on the floor. The winner is, she just tossed it, hold on.
It didn't work very well.
Okay, you have a drum roll, please. Good. Rebecca Watts. Rebecca, I think, is coming in for a lesson soon.
I think so.
I think she is within the next couple, because I looked in the book to see who was coming in. I think she's coming in. So Rebecca, you've got these fork pins. You will love these. These are great. And if you don't have these, ladies, call in, have us reserve a package for you, because they are fabulous. All right, I think, Alexis, you got anything else for me? Think we're good?
Great.
All right, till next time, it's Brenda with Luke's.